Hello, everyone. Today, April 22nd, 2021, we are going to learn how to ask questions in English using a comparison in our questions. As you can see here in your title, it says comparison questions. So, as I told you, we are going to ask and answer yes, no questions. Listen, yes, no questions. And we are going to use the previous vocabulary. Remember about what we learned on Tuesday? Yes, that was about sea creature, remember? Like dolphin, shark, whale, eel, seal, and so on. So we are going to use those words in the new structure. We are going to remember so fast. One more time. Good. So we are going to compare those animals in our questions. That's why it says comparison questions. Good. Now, let's see this. Look this little title. It's not little. Look here. It says, it's the eel as long as the seal. So as you can say, as you can read here, it says, yes, no questions with a verb be. So when we talk about yes, no questions, the answers usually are yes or no. Like for example, is the eel as long as the seal? Is the eel as long as the seal? As you can see here in this little expression, here we have as long as. This is an adjective. So here we are comparing as long as short as big as small as. In this case, we are using the adjective long. So one more time. Is the eel as long as the seal? The answer is, what do you think? Yes or no? Well, if you look at your student book, you will know the answer. The answer is yes, it is. So there is something important about this. The answer is not only the word yes. The correct answer is yes, it is. That is the correct answer. Yes, it is. Now, for example, if I ask to everyone, for example, here, is Leonardo as tall as Sebastian? In this case, yes, he is, because we are talking about a boy. But look here, I am answering, yes, he is. Not only the word yes. Another example, look here, about animals. Is the eel, oh, one more time, we are talking about the eel. As long as but look here, the second sea creature changed. Now we are not talking about seal. We are talking about squid. So we are comparing eel and squid. So it's the eel as long as the squid. Remember. Well, in this case, the answer is no, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's shorter. Miss, why it says it's shorter? Well, because we can say that the eel is longer. If you see your student book on page 15, activity letter C, you will see all the sea creatures and you will know the length of each one. So in this case, we add information. Like, for example, it's shorter because the eel is shorter. So one more time. Is the eel as long as the squid? No, it isn't. It's shorter. So I am adding information to this answer. Great. Now you can see here two sea creatures. The first one, squid, and the second one, the dolphin. So, but look here. Here we have two more pictures, but wait a minute. They are the same, dolphin and squid. Oh, but wait a minute. The order, it's what it changed. So here we have squid and dolphin, dolphin and squid. So look here. I could ask, is the squid as long as the dolphin? The squid as long as the dolphin? The answer is, what do you think? What do you say? Yes, it is, or no, it is. You can see your student book. So the answer is, yes, it is. They have the same length. So here we have one more time. Is the squid as long as the dolphin? Yes, it is. The second question, do you think the second question will be the same? More or less. But there is a little change. The order, in this case, we ask, is the dolphin as long as the squid? So here in the first question from this slide, we said, is the squid as long as the dolphin? But in the second question, we changed the order. Is the dolphin as long as the squid? So here the answer is yes or no. That's right, fantastic. The answer is yes, it is. Because we are talking about the same animals. So here the order in this case doesn't affect the answer. Good. Now in this case, we have another two sea creatures. Oh, wait a second. We have already talked about the dolphin. But look here, the seal. How will be the question? Is the seal as long as the dolphin? Is the seal as long as the dolphin? Oh, I don't know. Look your student book. Look your student book on page 15. So you can see the pictures there. Is the seal as long as the dolphin? Well, the answer is no, it isn't. It's shorter. In this case, we are using the adjective short. But look here, we are comparing. That's why we said it's shorter. One more time. Is the seal as long as the dolphin? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Remember, please. The answer is no, it isn't. No, only no. It's not so correct in that case because we must use this. No, it isn't. Okay, and remember that we add information in this case. It's short. So look here, now it's time to create yes, no questions using this activity. But how are you going to do this? Well, in class, I send you a link to work in the Jamboard. The first 13 students from the list are in group number 1. And the second group that are from Stefano and Valeria, all those students are group number 2. So what are you going to do in the Jamboard? Well, having this activity that we have already seen on these questions, you will write questions and answers. One more time, look here, this is the example. Is the eel as long as the seal? The answer could be, yes, it is. Or maybe, no, it isn't. It depends on what you are asking, okay? So in the Jamboard, you will write question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, and 6. So, for example, we can ask, is the eel? Miss, you made a mistake. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, we are talking about number 2. So, the question is the eel as long as the, we are going to compare with number 3. So, is the seal as long as the squid? So, what is the answer? Easy, right? So, pay attention here. Another example, now number 3. Is the squid as long as the, compare with number 4. Oh, as long as the dolphin. Now you know the answer. That's right. So pay close attention to the picture. Another example, number 4. So it's time to ask and answer in this case. Number 4 will be, is the dolphin, because we are talking about the dolphin. It's the dolphin as long to, number 5, as long as the shark. So the answer is, no, it isn't. It's shorter. If you compare the dolphin with a shark, you could see that the dolphin is shorter. So, having this example, you can ask and answer questions about this picture. The only thing that you have to do is see carefully each picture, each number, and ask and answer question in the Jamboard, please. Don't forget. Okay, the Jamboard, it's the only homework for this class. Well, little kids, thank you so much. Have a good day.